Welcome back to another Test Stuff install tutorial. In this one, I'm going to be showing you how to install our hidden storage compartment for Model 3 and Model Y. Now, Model 3 and Y both have the same center console, so the installation process is going to be exactly the same. When you receive our hidden storage compartment, it's going to come in a protective box, so it's not going to get damaged or anything during shipping. And then on the inside is where you'll find the actual hidden storage compartment. Installing our hidden storage compartment is extremely easy. All you're going to want to do is lift up your armrest and look for the cutout located underneath. This is where it will go. From there, you're going to want to line up the slimmer side toward the bottom. If you want another indicator, just open it up and the opening part will go at the top. Now go ahead and peel off the white stickers on each corner. And once you've done that, it is ready to install. What you're going to want to do is place it flat. Once it's placed flat, just push in and just keep pushing until you hear some clicks. Just like that. A wallet, and then my keys. You can close it, open it, get all your valuables back out.